dolls and glam dudes, welcome back to the channel. Guess what? Your girl is back with another video. Okay guys, so on today's video we're gonna do this challenge. It's a Barbie pink look, but let's get into this look right now. Okay guys, so today we're gonna do this pink look I've been dying to do, guys. So just jumping straight in, I've already did my brows and concealed under them. Okay, so going in, I'm going to use the Juvia's Place Berries palette. I'm going to use the pinks out of this palette. And also the matte book, I'm going to use the light pink and the white. Okay, so starting with this middle shade pink, I'm going to go in the pharmacy brush and we're going to place it in that crease. This is going to be our transition color. Okay guys, so I went in and did this eye off camera. We're gonna attempt to redo it on this eye. I love how it's a pinkish purple-ish look. I like it so far. So we're gonna go into that pink in the Juvia's Place palette. I kind of worked this eye backwards, but I want to see if it's gonna come out the same. Okay guys, so you already saw that I went in and I lined this eye. Now I'm about to go in and finish lining this one. So guys, I went in with that NYX pencil and went under that eye on that waterline. I'm going to do the same thing on this side. My eyes are trying to tear up. Please don't. So now I'm going to go in and I'm going to apply that deep cinnamon to color correct under the eye. I'm going to take that Morphe brush. This part is going to be kind of sped up, guys, because I'm about to go in and apply the concealers and the foundation, and I'm going to blend all that out. I'll be back when it's time to highlight and do these lips. Alright guys, so we're back and now we're gonna highlight. We went in, we did all our setting powders, we bronzed. Now we're on to highlighting, then we're gonna put those lashes, then we're gonna do those lips, of course. So far I'm loving this look. This color is a pink purple-ish look. I wasn't expecting this outcome, but they're good. Okay guys, so I'm back. I'm going in with Pretty Perk 30. We're gonna go apply these to the lids. Of course you all know we're using the lash band-aid. Okay guys, going in with that KKW Beauty Nude 2.5 liner. We're gonna line the lips. Okay guys, so guess what? I've went in, I've applied these new lips that's coming to the pharmacy soon, so I'm not yet gonna spoil them. But so far guys, look at this look. Let's get into it. Oh, hello, is anybody calling? Oh, okay. This is giving me everything guys. It's like a pinkish purple. It looks like a cut crease, but it's not. I'm loving this look. Look at them lips. The lash, Pretty Perk 30. Guys, guess what? This look actually came out fantastic. This is going to be another Valentine's Day look. Alright guys, that's going to be all for this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also, click that notification bell so you can know when I post more videos. Duh. Bye!